Caleb. He's gonna fall.
He's gonna fall.
Caleb, take it all the way down there. Bigger lap, bigger circle.
Gosh, I cannot see because of this case. And I think you guys can see him pretty well.